Hi guys, and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to disable these wallpapers on Redmi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G. Is the same also for the Pro version and other Redmi phones. And if you swipe to the left on the lock screen, you will have here a lot of wallpapers, and if you are not interested, you can disable it. For that, on your phone, just go to settings, and here tap on lock screen, and swipe and go to wallpaper carousel. And from here, just disable wallpaper carousel, disable again, swipe right to view more, and here tap confirm. And now if you exit and lock the screen, as you can see, we don't have any wallpaper on lock screen. And if you swipe to the left, from here you can select Toolbox and tap agree, and you can use Google Wallet to pay with your phone. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.